update together today. Check this makeup. Is the overall color system golden brown plus red? Really suspected of the New Year's atmosphere. Then the whole base makeup is more matte. Moisturizing before makeup is to do it hard. Apply a cotton sheet first and spray the whole face with water and oil spray. Spray more layers. Then make this primer. It should be painted with about 2 to 3 layers. I will be more at ease. First floor. By Yi this micropolori powder. Fold the feather plus the secondary one for him. The stick is basically not painted. Reuse card powder. Take almost absorbed. We can adjust the color before makeup. Red places can be so green. It's quite convenient to do it directly by hand. I use this. Start with the makeup and bring it out and back. Anyway, we will bring a small amount of these places. In this case, the brightening effect of using only will be obvious. I probably just mentioned these places. Then pinch the puff like this. Just let him take a picture of the same place. My dad should speak softly. Monsieur? I'm going to use this breast pen to put our noses. Sharpen a little. Brother Wolf here. Are you going? End of eye here. Eyes, nose, round bones, bring it here a little bit. Then go online. I like the puff on the side of the face. Okay. Use a brush for more details than this. This shoe uses a brush. Slowly smudge. Poke, 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 poke. Keep a secret. Take a look at our eyebrows and my forehead. Pay attention. I first use a Huawei to work every stroke. You can give it a rub before using it. Follow the plush shirt to find the way. To fill with sawdust. Rubbing alone has no effect. That brow tail. Drag it out like this. In this case, the feeling of removing wool is not very strong. Leave that black alone, those little hairs. Donkey. I applied this eye makeup to double eyelids. Let's put eye. Press down and raise the end of the eye a little bit. Take a look at this eye, it's popped up. Forgot eye makeup. At that time, it was this plate of underwater roast dog. A sequin of, it's very beautiful. Let's use this color first. Eyelid base from the tail up here. Wear it. With this triangle. Take everyone to try. Bring on eyeshadow. Isn't it obvious to hit one side like this? Use this color again, then try the eyes again. The folds of the entire double eyelid. I'm going to bring it about. Go up here at the end of the eye. Because this one is darker in color, you can prepare a fluffier brush. The darkest color. First stick to the root of this eyelash. This whole show. This can also be done twice. Bless your eyes again, because my eyes will be wider. Just look at the eyes and you'll be more energetic. And here I still got this blue pen. 2 down 2. Start the first time and deepen 2. Just next time I'll finish it then. It should come out very light, then add many times after. Well, if you don't want it to be too heavy, you can actually draw like this once. Then age your saliva brightens. I use this moment. Wait a minute, he'll be more floating. Sketch the Agio Sal. Then let's paste the eyelashes. How do I paste them? Put a bunch of this on the front. Then paste this twice in the middle. Finally, stick this one at the end of the eye. Take a look at the feeling of the end of the eye falling very clear. Blade brush still accounts for the darkest color of this one. Start little by little above the end of the eye. You are more handsome than me. You have to be careful. I'll take it slow. I have a fever I win me one. After the position of this eyeliner is determined, we can do the second exhibition. Show your lower limbs, because the lower limbs have to be connected to our eyeliner. Some feeling. So your lower limbs don't come out flat like this. It's wrapped like this. I'm going to deepen this eyeliner again. Print black eyeliner pen. There is no conjoined body. Then come the sequins. I use this peach color first, around the first half of our eyelids. This glossy one looks super good. Hold this. This is the one used to brighten the eye lump. Cover it up like this. Very beautiful. Take a look at this eye makeup and it's done. Whole eye makeup. We can sort out this face makeup. I basically just use puff makeup. Take a pat and there may be floating powder. Then the matte highlight sets the makeup. If you look at the nose now, delicate is completely not enough, so we need to repair our appearance and deepen it. Dangerous. The overall makeup is not that heavy. I just feel like I can't breathe. I still use this lip liner first for the red part. Just blur your lips. It also makes your mouth look a little small. I painted this one for this customer. It's the one I bought them in a loose suit. Very rich. Then this makeup doesn't want to be so thick. Blood can be painted a nude color and it also looks good. I still want to overlay this one.